On today's My Mortgage Hound Daily Home of the Day, I'm going to show you how I would finance an equestrian lover's dream home in Battleground, Washington using the new conforming loan limits. Stay tuned. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're at in the world today, Wednesday, hump day, September 24th. We're going to go right to it. Interest rates today, according to Mortgage News Daily, we ticked up just a hair to 6.37 on conforming. Jumbo loans, a loan amount over currently $802,615. Starting January 1, $818. A lot of mortgage companies, including mine, Cross Country Mortgage, will be offering that early, 6.27. And government loans, FHA, 6.05, unchanged from yesterday. We are going to Battleground, Washington. I found a horse property that's beautiful. We're going to 22814 Northeast 182nd Avenue in Battleground. 3 beds, 3 baths, 2,020 square feet, sitting on 5 acres, built in 1986. This home is listed by Joel. See what Joel has to say. Private gated oasis with stunning sunsets. This beautifully updated home showcases high-end finishes throughout, including 2 luxurious master suites, perfect for comfort and flexibility. The fully fenced property featuring no-climb horse fencing offers both beauty and function. 4 interconnected pastures, each include their own covered stable area. Now, I previewed this one more than I normally do, and we don't have great pictures of those. I wish we had better pictures of the stable areas, making it ideal for equestrian use. A spacious 48 by 60 shop/barn covered with covered lean-to provides ample space for storage or projects. Enjoy abundant parking with coveted in and out access for trucks and trailers. The grounds are beautifully maintained with mature landscaping, full irrigation, and irrigated garden. Relaxed at one of the many sitting areas, complete with fire pit for cozy evenings. All right, let's take a look at some pictures. So, beautiful property, lots of blacktop. Love the flagpole in the center. Let's look at some more pictures here. Yeah, you couldn't tell this home was built in 1986. Looks like fresh paint. The roof looks newer. Like the siding, updated farmhouse style siding. Mature landscaping here. I like the curb edging to the lawn. All right, so here's our entryway. Some millwork on the walls. Looks very nice. Looks like could be engineered hardwoods. Could be vinyl plank flooring. That would have been a nice thing to have in the description. Shiplap ceiling, vaulted ceilings. Updated kitchen here. Looks very nice. Like the color of the walls. Huge windows with lots of millwork. Yeah, very nice kitchen. Dining area. Dealing with 2,000 square feet. So this is a good size living area. Looks like tile backsplash to the cabinets. Man, look at those views. Love the windows. Shot of the living space. That shiplap ceiling goes into the great room there. Ceiling fan. Again, nice big windows. Talk about no neighbors. Okay, bedroom number 1. I'm sure the blinds are closed because of the light coming in. It's a shame they didn't wait and take a picture where you could see out those windows. Kind of a cool layout for a bedroom. Bedroom number 2. Nice walk-in closet. Okay. Dual sink vanity, like the mirrors. Freestanding tub. See if we get a shot of the shower. We don't. All right. Interesting backsplash in this bathroom. Single vanity. Here's bedroom number 3. Again, 2 primary bedrooms with en-suites, walk-in closet. Very nice. Guest bath. Good size utility room. So I like this house because they have the dining area and the breakfast nook all in one. Instead of using that square footage for a separate formal dining room, they left that square footage in the living spaces and the bedrooms, which I like when you're dealing with 2,000 square feet. Very fancy fire pit area. Okay, there's the big shop barn. Huge doors on that thing. Very nice farmhouse style, matches the house. Huge shop. Okay, so here's the barn portion. You can see 1 horse stall in the back there. This must be the other side. Oh, there's some farm animals. Okay, no drone shot, unfortunately. Nice shot of the landscaping though, retaining wall. Look, all this for $1.15 million seems like a good deal to me. In Battleground, there are currently 193 homes for sale. That's a lot. It's a big increase of inventory for Battleground. The median list price $599, $550 median price for pending properties. We looked at this property. Looks like it's pending. That was on the market for a while. And then for sold properties, $555. So we're above that, but we're dealing with 5 acres. So not too out of the question. Okay, there are many ways to finance a home like this. Going off of yesterday's theme of the increase in the jumbo or conforming loan limits, the conforming loan limits starting in January, $818,000 up from $802,650. Now a lot of mortgage companies, like I said, including mine, will be offering that early. So let's take a look at what that looks like. If we were to do a jumbo loan and we put 20% down, our purchase price at 1.15, loan amount would be $920,000. Interest rate, according to Mortgage News Daily, national average for jumbo loans today, 6.27, which is crazy to have jumbo loans less than conforming rates. Like I've said on past videos, first time in my 22 years in doing mortgages that I've really seen that, and it's been that way for a little while. Compared to a max conforming loan limit with the new loan amount, $818,000 at 6.37. If we compare the payments side by side, you can see principal and interest $56.76 for the jumbo or $5,100 for the max conforming. Property tax is not bad for 5 acres in Battleground at $509 a month. Homeowners insurance somewhere around $100 a month for a total payment of $62.85 or $57.09. A difference of $575. With a jumbo loan, you'd be bringing in $243,000. With a max conforming loan amount, you'd be bringing in $345,000. So you can save $100,000 out of pocket for an increase in your payment at $576 a month, or you can save $576 a month, but it's going to cost you a little over extra $100,000. So, like I said, many ways to finance a property like this, but here's something to consider. 2 situations to consider. Do we keep our cash in our pocket and go for that jumbo loan, or do we really want that lower payment? There you go. Hope that helps you out. Like, subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow with another daily home of the day. Bye, everybody.